Hola.
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 Los ingredientes: mantequilla de maní, mantequilla, extracto de vainilla, azúcar en polvo, chips de chocolate. Hola mis Kuzma y estudiantes, Buckeyes de Ohio. Este plato es de Ohio.
Man, no out of there.
Run that back, Cashout.
Hey,
Yeah.
I was late to Miss Kuzma class because my other teacher ain't wanna give me a pass.
No.
Now I'm gon' have to teach y'all about the past.
The pass?
Yes, I'm talking to the whole class.
Okay.
Everybody better listen up.
Listen up.
Listen what she's trying to tell us. Escucha a lo que ella nos está diciendo.
That's the E in past tense. To él, ella, and usted. I said Easton, man, that is you.
Who?
Él, ella, man, that's them too. Nosotros amamos, that is us.
Us.
Escucha a lo que ella nos está diciendo. Ellos, and
Mezclar
ustedes.
los ingredientes.
Man, that's them and they in Spanish.
Hey.
Man, shout out Miss Kuzma.
Shout out the whole 2019 senior class.
We out this.
Hey, I was late to Miss Kuzma class because my other teacher ain't wanna give me a pass. Now I'm gon' have to teach y'all about the past. Yes, I'm talking to the whole class. Everybody better listen up. Listen what she's trying to tell us. Escucha a lo que ella nos está diciendo.
Poner en el refrigerador. Gracias. Adiós, amigos.